All right, so here we're back to dividing and then simplifying. Now this one, we have differences of square here. This one is not a difference of square, so there's nothing really we can do to that one. And so then we have to change this. So we're going to keep this after we factor, change to multiply, and then flip that. Okay, so first one, t squared minus 16. Well, that's going to be t plus 4, t minus 4. Okay, now t squared plus 16, that's not the difference of squares, so we can't do anything with that. So we'll just leave it there. Again, change it to multiply. Now we flip it, 4 over t plus 4. And now it doesn't look like there's a lot that cancels. T plus 4 will cancel t plus 4. And that's about all we can do. So now we have to think about what we want to do. If we rewrite this and just multiply it, we'll have a 4 times t minus 4 over t squared plus 16. That is one allowed form because basically you factored it and you show you can't reduce it. Now another thing we could do is we could go ahead and multiply it through, and so that would give us a 4t minus 16 over t squared plus 16. And again, so you don't want to cancel anything, we'll go ahead and put parentheses around those, and we can do that here as well. But that is one way that's in factored form, and this one is multiplied out. Okay, and it says leave it in factored form, so that's where we would leave it. Sometimes they'll say put it in multiplied out form, and so we'd have to take it there. So this is just to kind of show you, depending on what they ask you for, you might have to do one or the other. So factored form is what we want in this case. All right, what about this one? Well, divide and simplify to lowest terms. All right, so again, we're going to keep this, change it to multiply, and flip this. So first one we have to factor. Well, that's going to be a 2z. Oops, we don't want to parenthesis already here. So a 2z, and then we'll have a parenthesis over there, and then we'll have a z, parenthesis. Now on the bottom, we'll have what? Well, that one's going to be what? Z plus 3 and z minus 2, because the two factors of 6 are 2 and 3. The bigger one has to be positive, and so that one's pretty easy. So now the numerator factors of 4. The add is, so we have to have a 4 here, it looks like, and a 1 here. We need a negative 7, so if we put a negative and a positive, then that's going to give us 2z squared minus 8z plus z, so that's going to be minus 7z minus 4. So that looks good. Again, change to multiply, and then we have a z minus 2 over a z minus 4. Now we get to have fun and cancel. All right, z minus 4 cancels a z minus 4, and a z minus 2 cancels a z minus 2, leaving only those two pieces there. So that gives us 2z plus 1 over z plus 3. And again, if you need to, put parentheses around them so you know you can't cancel anything, otherwise you'll get a wrong answer. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.